I am a firm believer in knowledge is power. I just think that we can't service our clients and we can't be really good at what we do without learning. So for our team, it was a mandatory meeting to attend. We were really excited about collaborating really with the offices, with other agents, with other management.
I think we're all in this together and that we are all kind of under the guise that business is going to be as usual. There'll be some changes, but I think we've all know the business well enough and that the way that we conducted business prior to these changes was really the appropriate way to do business. I think what is bell ringing is that we need to refresh ourselves in those basic concepts and that we need to really guide a buyer as to why we do have value.
So the role playing in general is really important. It's something that we're very used to doing, but more so it was really important for this office meeting because without hearing other people's questions or learning other people's experiences, you're really kind of stuck. And so I think that generating more questions, generating more knowledge really comes from the collaboration. And that was a huge part of this role playing.
Having the discussions is even more helpful. I think sometimes we take for granted some of the, especially if you're a seasoned agent, you take for granted what you think you know, but refreshing yourself and having dialogue with your colleagues and having print materials that Raveis has put out has given us the tools to give us the confidence to go out to say, we are valuable and we are worth our commission.
The beauty of this meeting was that we got to learn from other people's experiences. And that's really what Raveis does really well, is we are truly a collaborative company. I never feel the competition. I always feel like if there's a situation that we have not encountered before, I can pick up the phone and call almost 10 agents and ask them their experience. And that really was the purpose of this meeting. It was the beauty of this meeting. It's why the meeting was super helpful, is we were able to learn from other experiences. And I think that that was a huge takeaway, and it's something that I'm looking forward to with the next meeting.